ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa has carefully worded public relations statement, seemingly aimed at quelling growing speculation of a deepening rift between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, Chiwenga, insisting that the two leaders remain united. Salamenda mashoko buda panguwa ina chonko kunzi aiwa idi Chiwenga rifts Deepens panguwa ina tuna na wi chipindwa nana Mchangwa ndo subscribe wala icon on the bell icon tipina mnamubda kwa mchinzi. But analysts say the very need to issue such a statement reflects the escalating tension within the ruling party, tensions that have simmered since the 2017 military coup that brought Mnangagwa to power and sidelined the ambitious Chiwenga. In his late-night statement, Mchangwa tried to portray a picture of unity and shared vision, praising Mnangagwa's leadership and developmental agenda. He lauded the government's infrastructure programs, increased agricultural outputs, and record tobacco production in 2025, which he attributed to Mnangagwa's reformist agenda. He went on to claim that Mnangagwa had restored Zimbabwe's pride through the gold-backed ZVAITWA currency, asserting that the country had exorcised the ghost of ravaging inflation. In quotes, I have the opportunity to know and grow with both President Mnangagwa and VP Chiwenga for over 5 decades. They have been well steeled through the toughest of character tests, he said, before adding cryptically, a petty or fleeting quarrel is never carried into battle. Tiffs have no place in gunfire, being exchanged in anger with the enemy. Your comrade is, after all, your keeper. Political insiders say such comments suggest not unity, but rather an attempt to paper over widening cracks since the 2017 coup. Chiwenga, who led the military operation that ousted Mugabe, yes, increasingly found himself sidelined, while Mnangagwa has consolidated power through pegs and patronage networks. Tomash Kwarubuda Pangwa ino tensions aripo between the leadership irimo mnyika yeZimbabwe. Mashoko Kwarubuda Pangwa ino actually consider these two leaders were embroiled in a tension. Panapo na Mchangwa vari kuzama kuda kukavara up vachida kushow as if everything is alright. Tuze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.